Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the factory spare tire crossmember. You can cut the crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, paint the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Your frame may have some extra thickness where your spare tire crossmember will sit. You may need to grind down both ends of your crossmember to ensure a guaranteed fit. Tap your part into place using a hammer. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your spare tire crossmember to the frame before welding the part on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!